Take a moment to check out the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, alarm, full-size spare tire, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, conventional spare tire. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.